we were trying to reach out to this client of ours in Bombay. Basically, this person, he was not exactly the executive assistant or something. This was from the talent acquisition team itself. So in my line of work at iimjobs.com, as I told you earlier, we reach out to the HR heads or the talent acquisition leads directly, right? So what happened was this person redirected us to this executive from his team. And this person was like, we are already using this XYZ tool and this is like a monopoly tool at that time and still is the monopoly tool. So we are still like, we are using that tool. We are happy with it. Why do we we do not want to use any other tool. Then what happened was then I started asking a lot of open-ended questions in terms of what do you do for senior level hiring? What kind of sources do you normally rely on? So this person said that we have consultants or vendors, we have a lot of these people. And the thing is, then I asked him, what is normally the kind of percentage that you have these vendors on? Are they at a fixed percentage or a flat cost? Or do you give them something as per the kind of compensation that you'll be offering to the employee that will be coming on board? So this person told me that they paid an exorbitant amount of almost up to 20-25% for a senior level person that they're hiring for their organization. Now I know how can I make the sale basically. So my tool basically helps in mid to senior level hiring, right? So what value proposition that I told him was that, I'll give your end users, your team, an entire week's access to the tool. You check out for yourself how many senior level people that we have registered on the platform. You can yourself see that even if you're able to hire this one position throughout the year of the subscription cycle, you will be able to save so much on your cost. And I gave him specific number. I told him, so let's say if you're hiring someone at 50 lakhs of CTC and you're offering them the vendor almost 15 to 20% of fees that they're charging you guys, then you will be saving up on at least 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs of your money if you're able to hire 1 or 2 people out of this entire subscription. Now, this person got intrigued by this opening statement and he was like, but we normally do not vendors have been helping us throughout the entire duration. We have never taken help from any of the job sites because none of the job sites have these kind of senior level folks registered. Now, I was like, just give it a try. Take a trial, let me run a product demo for you. And let me just share this trial with you for 2-3 days. And then you can take a look at what kind of quality candidates that we have registered with us. That was how I was able to convert that deal with the gatekeeper, who was very skeptical in the beginning, who did not want to give it a try. But the thing is, using this kind of I customize my solution for them in terms of appealing to his sensibilities. And that is how I was able to close the deal for that account.